The thing about in-person conferences is the chance encounters, the interactions, you see the keynotes, you really want to see what companies have been working on.
We're here at Civo Navigate London. This is our 7th Civo Navigate event focused on sovereignty and AI. We've got some amazing workshops, so people learning what the cutting edge of AI looks like and actually be able to get some really interesting collaborations and people across the Civo network. And then also some amazing insights both at a governmental and enterprise level about how people need to change and adapt as they move forward to build solutions.
It's a great conference. There have been some great talks on AI, platform, and how the platform should be used.
It's been a fantastic event so far. The talks that I've attended have been extremely interesting and apparent, especially the data sovereignty talk that I've just come out of. It's a great space, some great people to have conversations with. We'll definitely be coming back to future events here with Civo.
This is my second time at Civo Navigate. Compared to the first time, there's been an exponential increase in the level of workshops, the number of attendees, the quality of the conversations that I'm enjoying, and I'm really looking forward to what Civo Navigate 2026 has to offer.
I had a great day. It was really interesting to see what Civo is able to deliver in terms of competition between the AWS and Google Cloud.
That was amazing. I would like to thank you, Civo Navigate, and the team for this amazing conference. Thank you so much.
The philosophies align, the technology align. It's just another chance for us to engage with the community that is not only using Civo, but helping us build it.